We all have heard the story. There was once a soap factory. The owner was faced with a peculiar problem. Customers were receiving empty soap boxes. The machine would sometimes leave some boxes unfilled, and that was just the way things were. The factory owner got thinking. He called the consultants to solve the problem. After diagnosing the problem, the solution was developed. An advanced laser system that would detect the unfilled boxes, which can then be removed before packing. It was a very expensive solution and also would stop the conveyor too much. That would hamper the production. Worried, the factory owner asked a person who worked on the pre-packing process for some suggestions. The worker came up with an idea. His solution was an inexpensive industrial fan that would blow the lighter empty boxes off the conveyor. This would not stop the conveyor, plus, it was easy to maintain and a really affordable solution. So what can we learn from this story? Just like the fish who discovers water last, businesses often look for drivers of growth and improvement elsewhere. You see, people who work there carry with them powerful ideas that can bring great value to all involved. Smart businesses appreciate this fact and empower their workforce to lead improvement in their workspace and create a reservoir of ideas that leads to massive improvements in the long term. And it has become even more relevant for today's businesses, which depend on knowledge workers working on complex, multi-tiered processes. In principle, all processes are the same. Every process is a collection of tasks or sub-process. The output of one process is the input to the next process. Each task is made up of more tasks, which together make up the complete process. Each process can be measured by the quality of output and time taken for completion. So the root of improvement lies in improving the quality or reducing the time taken. Let's see how that is super easy if you think improvement. Think technology. With the concept of automation and technology to support it, many tasks can be automated, combined, or even reduced. Technology can be utilized to add more value to existing tasks, leading to massive improvements in time and quality metrics. Ability to think technology for process improvement is a key skill for today's knowledge worker and an important weapon in Think Improvement Arsenal. Think best practices. Improvements ideas are the true sparks that can explode the performance to whole new levels. Serious business knows that ideas have to be developed and leveraged. And for that to happen, ideas have to take more tangible form so that they can be transacted, shared, and built upon. For breakthrough improvement to happen, these good ideas cannot be limited to silos. They have to be leveraged wherever possible. The ability of knowledge workers to tap into these ideas, build upon it, and even contribute their own ideas is the second key skill to keep their processes constantly improving. Think benchmarking. There is no end to how much one can improve. Comparing our process to a similar one in another team or a different company or even a different industry can give us a fair idea of what we are doing and what others are doing. It is a great source of inspiration for fresh new ideas that can catapult any process to whole new levels. This ability to realistically measure up one process with other similar ones will ensure that we can leverage the best that is out there. It is the third key skill in the Think Improvement Arsenal. Think analytics. We have access to overwhelming amounts of data from our business. This data has lots of clues to understanding the business more deeply. Analysis of this data to identify patterns is making sense of what's happening. This is a true enabler for businesses today. Ability to make sense of the huge data and leverage the extracted intelligence is key skill number 4 to ensure that you are picking up all signs that is governing your business environment. Think Improvement is a digital learning program designed to empower today's knowledge worker with mindset and skills for bringing improvement in business processes and create massive value for the organization. Addressed at developing these 4 key skills from ground up for newbies is an absolute must package for all businesses who believe in empowering their workforce to bring breakthrough improvements for the business. When you sign up for Think Improvement, you never stop learning with our Continue in the Cloud program that gives you free access to a premium learning site for 1 year. Here you get access to valuable insights for process improvement, get acquainted with the latest tools, tips, and techniques that you can implement quickly and create profitable improvements.